Welcome back to the Skin Gig, helpful hints on humaning. Did you know that you have 3 brains? All of us do. You're not a mutant, I promise. We all actually have 3 brains. If you define a brain as an organ in the body that secretes certain hormones, gives information, receives information, also adapts, learns, and changes, we have 3 brains. There's the first one, the one you're used to, the one between your ears. The second brain is the heart brain. The heart brain is concerned with connectedness, with relationship, with executive function. It's connected to the prefrontal cortex. Your third brain is called your enteric brain. That's the brain we find in our stomach. The enteric brain is where all of the neurotransmitters that are in that first brain are actually created. Now, the challenge is to understand that those other 2 brains are not linearly logical, but they are fiercely logical. It's more like a web. So we have an experience, it taps the web, that web lights up everything that's familiar. And that's giving us really important data to understand the thing that's in front of us. In my next reel, I'll talk about how to learn to interpret those brains and use them all together for a better result. For more information on embraining or using your multiple brains to do cool stuff, see the link in the text below. For more Skin Gig reels, you can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, or on the Skin Gig tab on my website, www.tiffanysankofa.com.